I'm Keith Ballentine, owner of KB Electric, located here in Montclair, New Jersey. We make the old homes newer and the newer homes better. We do all facets of electrical work. One of our niches is the old home remediation and restoration. My home was built in 1886, and then we just worked on a house that was built 2 years ago. But obviously the electrical system in a lot of those is antiquated and needs updating. One of the problems with knob and tube is the fact that there's only 2 wires and no grab. Another big problem is they made the splices right in the wall, so there's no box to contain any arcing or sparking. As you can see, it looks like spaghetti, which really isn't a good look. We've got clients that are multi-millionaires and regular blue-collar guys. And obviously when you're working in a multi-million-dollar house, you have to be extra careful. There's a lot of moldings and stuff that you can't replace easily today, if at all. So you have to make sure you're very careful where you drill, how you drill. You have to really have finesse. You can't go in there like a bull in a china shop and just blast through stuff. We use drills a lot in order to make holes in the beams in order to run the wires. We use chisels in order to open up the wall so we can get the wires in there. Then when we need to run some pipe or cut a piece of wood, we'll typically use a reciprocating saw.
This guy had an extension cord tied with knob and tube, tied to Romex wire, all duct taped together. It was getting so hot. I mean, I don't know how the house didn't burn down.
A house built in the early 1900s might only have 1 or 2 outlets in the room. Today, we usually put an outlet on every wall. I think what it means to a homeowner is when we bring our house into the 21st century, one, typically we put a light switch on the wall and there's a light in the center of the room so that they can walk into a room and turn a light on. And two, the ability to sleep at night knowing that your home is electrically sound and safe. It's not only an investment in your potential safety and everything else, it's an investment for future generations. You know that your house will be sound and safe until they decide to knock it down. One of the harder part of my job is because electrical work is behind the walls, so there's an expectation that it should be easier than it is. If it was that easy, anybody could do it. The best part of KB Electric's job is, making sure that the homeowner has a new modern house that they really can enjoy and feel safe and proud of. We really pride ourselves knowing that the job is done right when we're finished. My motto from the beginning is we treat people like we want to be treated ourselves. So we're always trying to be fair, honest, and equitable, and that's why we've been able to build a successful business over the last 20 years.